Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Pitch Club members. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. My name is PVS Murthy. I represent the company CCTV Systems Private Limited. This is a company owned by three of us, me, my brother, and my nephew. We started in 2017, and we are into CCTV systems and electrical systems. Basically, here we are talking about CCTV systems. Uh, Most of us know what is CCTV system. You see a camera wherever you go. So, right from the time you come out of your door, if you are in a flat, you are under surveillance. ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है. That's the slogan which we use for our CCTV systems. So, in CCTV system, what is the simple concept? Many people think it's a camera, it collects and everything, but the basic design and the basic system, what is requires some understanding and concept design. That is what we are going to talk about it, and we are here to provide a solution of CCTV systems. Basically, that's our specialty. We will tell the customer based on his requirement, based on locations, where to put a camera, where not to put a camera, how to monitor the things. That's our specialty. And here briefly I talked about the type of CCTV systems which are available in the whole process. And here one is called HD systems, another is called IP system. What is the HD system? HD systems is called a simple analog system. For a small flats or area where the distance is not very high, we use HD systems. And here also, if you see, people will call cameras 2.4 MP, 4 MP, 5 MP, it's megapixel. So the clarity of how much clarity you want in your systems, that comes from the camera you selected basically. So when the distances are less, normally we recommend HD systems, and these systems are coming in four varieties: 4 channel, 8 channel, 16 channel, 32 channel. And the cameras also nowadays, the latest cameras which are coming up, they are all, even in the night vision, you can see in color those ones. That is one of the specialty which is coming up recently. And then IP systems is the second variety of systems, cameras, where IP systems we use it basically when the distances are wrong, and when you are covering more apartments, and if you want to cover a long distances, it is like a network. Most of the people will understand that when you are putting a lot of computers into a network, all computers are in the network. Like that, all cameras operate on a network. This is what we call the IP systems. And here also the cameras here, IP cameras, are more clarity and more visibility comes into the IP systems. So the design of IP system is a little different from the design of HD systems. So IP systems are for big multiplexes and everything we use it. And of course, some customers who know the difference between HD and IP, even for a small systems, they want IP system. We have supplied even a 4-channel IP system for some other places, when customer understands and is ready to invest the money. So that is the one which comes for when you use more than one camera, use more than one camera basically. So in IP also you have got 4 channel, 8, 16, 32 and 64 channel. But in IP normally we as a system integrators don't recommend 64 channels, because if you lose some part of that camera, you lose so many 64 cameras are going out of the service. So normally we recommend 32 multiples, and then it can be connected to a display system. That's what whole systems happens. And then comes nowadays what you are finding it up is some of the things in houses. People want to monitor elderly persons or their children when they are going to office, they leave the people. So there are single cameras are coming up, which are Wi-Fi cameras, what we call it. These can be connected to your mobile directly. Wherever in the world you can see that system into your mobile. And that cameras are small cameras. They require a power supply near to it, and those cameras can be installed in your hall, in your main hall, where you can see people coming, going out, and everything will be monitored. And that is one part of it. And another Wi-Fi camera which is coming out is for indoor and outdoor purposes. When you want to cover your own distances where you don't have any cable or wire, you don't have network or anything, then you can put a SIM card into that, data card, and you put that camera outside, and again you can get it through your mobile systems, that one. And the third one is solar. Now solar cameras have come up, which is, for example, you have a పొలం ఉంది మనకి పెద్దది. So where you want to monitor that part of it, you can install on a pole and again use a SIM card, and the solar gets the power for the camera comes through the solar and it stores. And this we have recently installed in one of the near Kisra. We have installed one of the specific customer wanted that, and where we cannot lay a cable or anything. So in his outhouse he has put a normal camera 4-channel system, and only for that part we have put a solar camera. So this is the third camera which comes in. So this is what I tried to explain in this presentation. These are the basic things which basically comes into various type of CCTV cameras. And then one more thing I want to add here actually. See, many people think that CCTV, we see Amazon price, you will see it. You see the price in Amazon and think that okay, this camera is coming this much, this camera is coming for this price. Why it costs so much? These questions even I have faced recently with one of our customer. The basic thing is in Amazon you get the basic raw this one camera, but it is not camera alone. There are a lot of other accessories which have to come in. Based on your layout of the house or layout of the apartments, cable is one thing which is cost separately. Similarly, the hard disk, where you want to back up for 20 days or 21 days, or you want to back up, somebody wants backup for 2 months for example, then the cost of hard disk goes up. These are things various costs are involved. That makes the total cost of the system different for each customer. A 4-channel may cost for 20,000 rupees for one customer. It may cost 23,000 for another customer because of the distance which we are getting it. Cable cost may increase for another customers. So these are the concepts which